Because I need to improve my company's communications and customer experience, I'm going to visit QrQi.uk. I like the simple, clear navigation and need to sign up for my free 30-day trial. So I simply click the sign up link at the top right of the screen. The sign up form is simple and clear and asks for minimum commercial content. I know that the display name will be the header to all emails and QrQi.uk SMS messages. So I make the display name very clear. In our case, that is Harry Rag Jewellers. I also know I must remember to replace leading zeros in phone numbers with my country code. Our business is in the UK, so the code is 44. So I type my number as 44786 0377188. I quickly fill in the other required information. I know that I will only need to do this once and that I can edit it at any time via my account settings. I'm going to subscribe to the QrQi 1-month free trial. I'm very happy and confident as this is managed by PayPal. I am familiar with the PayPal system and in a moment my subscription is processed and I'm introduced to my new QrQi dashboard. Exciting! I know that QrQi gives me the flexibility to create personal and specific messages for clients via the Contacts Manager. As I am new to the system, I have no contact records yet, but as I use QrQi, records will build quickly, and I will soon be able to manage clients and contacts with full and flexible reporting. I can use Message Maker and create a selection of generic messages or templates that reflect my company's style and culture and cover specific but typical tasks. As a new user, I'm going to start by creating a generic template for diamond ring renovation. This is a key service that we provide every day. I need to make a new message, so I simply open Message Maker. The first thing I note is that it only requires a small amount of input. I name the template Diamond Ring Renovation because it does what it says on the tin and will be easy to locate in the future. Later, I can create other message templates for specialist repairs and renovations. Next, I am required to provide references and reminders. These are search tags to help me locate the template when my library has grown. Then I need to provide the first line of each email and QrQi SMS, which is sent out during the process. At this time, I'll use a simple hello. I can edit it or personalize it later. Next, I opt to have a timer and I want to provide a stop-start facility, so I simply select Stop Start. I know that each task is represented on our screens by a bubble. I'm going to advise the client on each step of the journey. So for this job, I will need 3 bubble sets. Each set will comprise of a start task and an end task. I have 11 characters to label the bubbles that make up the bubble interface. The bubble interface is instantly called when the controllers scan at no charge the QrQi code with their smartphone. In my case, that would be the jewellery craftsman and repair admin staff. The second field is the message that the client receives via email and/or SMS, so I make them personal, encouraging and upbeat to reflect the culture of our company. My messages are not limited, but each 140-character text message equals 1 credit. There is no charge to send an email. In this case, I don't want the client to be advised of the timing of each stage, so I turn the message timers off by clicking the green clock icons and turning them grey. Grey icons are off. I can change that on future versions of the message set. When I save the message template, it becomes a stock message set. I can select and use it at any time via the Template Manager. If I edit the message, a new version is created automatically. and the original remains available. The listing clearly shows me the message set name, the number of messages, and therefore the number of bulletins that will be sent. The use of information icons clearly shows me the features set up and employed through SMS, location and timers. A simple click of the How2 button and I am ready to assign the message to a customer. As a new user, I have no customer records at this time, so I tick Add a new contact. I add the customer's details and now want to add an image of the client's ring. I took this picture with my smartphone. The system provides a simple upload facility and allows you to crop the image on the fly to provide a nice close-up on record. As this task is a ring renovation, I'm delighted to have the perfect before shot on file. The system then asks me if I would like to add more recipients to the group. I'm going to include my repair admin staff and then include our accounts department. I add their records so that they will all be automatically included in the loop and get instant updates. So now the task is set up and I can scan the QrQi code on my machine with my smartphone to check the settings. Click the pencil icon to edit the message. Click the printer icon to produce a schedule of the message bulletins. I can also click the download icon and save a copy of the code to print off the QrQi code and attach it to the work bag of the job. I could achieve the same result by right-clicking the QrQi code and saving the image. As the work is passed or sent to our contractors, we scan the QrQi code with a smartphone. There is no dialing, no texting, no typing. Everyone in the loop, that's the client, the contractor, admin and accounts, is instantly informed that work on the job has started. Then at each stage, the contractor simply scans the QrQi code to provide instant updates and progress tracking. I can now access this assigned message via the Contacts Manager or Message Manager. I am free to use the pencil icon to edit this specific message at any time, and that can include adding extra tasks to a job. Edits do not change the QrQi code, but are instantly updated on the bubble interface so that all controllers are instantly updated. Visit QrQi.uk now. See more, learn more, and try it out.